The perimeter of the triangle shown is 120 yards. Find its area in square yard. So first we have to find the height and the base of our triangle. We have given that the base is x, the height is x plus 10 yards, and this part is x plus 20 yards. So we can use this information, and we have given perimeter is 120 yards to find our unknown x. Because the perimeter is the distance around our figure, so we have that P is equal x plus, of course, yard. We have to add at the end, plus, next we have x plus 20 yards, and we have plus x plus 10 yards. Now we can substitute perimeter by 120. So we have 1, 2, 3x, and we have 20 plus 10 is 30. Next I will move 30 to the left side, so we will have 120 minus 30. This is equal 3x. So 120 minus 30 is 90. This is equal 3x. We need to find x. So now I will divide both sides by 3 because we have here multiplication. So 3 and 3 we can reduce. And we have that x is equal 90 divided by 3 is 30. Next, when we have unknown x, we can calculate the base and the height. When we have base and height, we can find the area of our triangle, because we know that the area of triangle is equal 1/2 times base times height. So our base is equal x yard. So x is 30, so we have 30 yards. And our height is equal, this is our base, this is our height, is equal x plus 10 yards. So this is equal 30 plus 10 yards. So this is equal 40 yards. We have base, we have height, so now we can come back to our formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal 1/2 times base, so times 30 yards, times height is 40 yards. So this is equal, we can reduce 2 with 40 will be 20, and 30 times 20 is 600. Yard times yard will be square yards. This is my solution.